What color adds the most value to a home? Dear friends, color preferences evolve to keep up with homebuyers' desires, so it makes sense to keep your finger on the pulse when investing in a quality paint job before listing your home for sale. Interior wall color trends use the following color categories. Beige. Part of the brown-gray color family, beige is a welcoming color thanks to its yellow tints. This color family works well with most interior styles as a versatile choice. Tan. With a paler brown tone, tan is a warmer color family that complements luxury and minimalist interiors. Taupe. This neutral color family is a staple of minimalist and industrial-style interiors. Gold. Gold color palettes symbolize luxury, though this choice is more daring than other trends on our list. Greige. While shades of gray are gradually becoming outdated, greige, a color that combines beige and gray, is increasingly popular. These warm, neutral colors give home buyers a fresh canvas to work with. They are also easier to match to almost anyone's interior design preferences, so homebuyers can decorate the space with their existing furniture and knickknacks when they move in. Your home's exterior walls should feature no more than 3 colors. The ideal palette will depend on the surrounding houses in your neighborhood and your home's architecture, but beige, brown and warm grays are generally popular options. A general rule is that the primary color should cover about 70% of the home's body, while the secondary color should only represent 20%. The last 10% can showcase small pops of color, accenting features like your front door. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.